Okay, so good morning, you guys. So today we're doing money math. So we're gonna go over some money and what to do with it and how to spend it, how to count it, and how to know your coins from your dollars.
I see.
First, we have some money here. Okay, tell me if you guys can see it. Does anybody know how much this is?
$1. $1.
$1. Good job. What about this one?
$5.
$5.
$5. Yep, money skills. Good job, Lucy. And then this one.
$10.
$10. And then we got
$20.
$20. And now we got a big one.
$100.
$100. Good job. So we're gonna do some problems in a minute. But first I got a paper here and it has coins on it. So we're gonna do our first one. We have 2 pennies, a quarter, a dime, a quarter, a nickel, a penny, a nickel. So have to add them all up together. I gotta wipe a little too. Boom. We have 2 quarters, which are 25 cents.
Hi, Kimberly.
5 cents.
Hi, Kimberly.
Hi, Ryan.
Buy your shirt, Kimberly.
A dime, which is 10 cents. And then we have 2 pennies. So we add it all up, so we're gonna start in the column. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 0 is still the same, it's 15, plus 1 and 1. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2.
I'm going to put my ear from the way.
Have 1 more penny.
Because there's some beeping. It's going in my ears.
We put 3 there.
From
And
the
then we
program.
got 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we end up with 53. So we end up with 53 cents. Money skills, yes. Okay, so now we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do is like paying something. So Jonice is gonna, we're gonna work on like bills. Like if you were to have a bill.
All right, good morning, everyone.
Hi, Johnny.
Yes, come in. His paycheck. I'm gonna give him $1,500. Count that out, make sure your paycheck is right. So you have rent to pay. Your rent is gonna be $700. Your PG&E gonna be $100.
Hi, Clifford.
About $50. MIB
Hi, Clifford.
is gonna be 60.
I think you gave me a little short.
Short, did I short you?
Sorry, just a little short.
All right.
He counted out loud.
Yeah.
So he's counting money.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,400, 1,500.
$1,500. So his paycheck is $1,500. So, okay, so the first thing he's gonna pay is his rent. So,
Count out your rent.
100, 200, 300, 500, 600, and 700.
Okay.
all right. So I'm gonna count this out for mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that was his rent, is $700. All right, next he has to pay, his PG&E.
Which is 100.
Tell them to, what do you have left though after that? Like how much would you have left after you paid your rent and your PG&E? So count how much you have left in your hand.
$700.
So your remainder in your hand.
So what do you have?
What?
How much do you have left after you paid your rent and your PG&E?
$700. I
Okay.
can show you, I'll count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700.
Good job.
All right, so Clifford has $700 left over. So his cell phone bill is $50.
I'll have to get change for that.
All right, so I have 100. So how much do I owe you?
50.
I owe him $50. I'm gonna go over here and run to the bank. And this is a $50 bill. There's your 50, Clifford. The next bill he has is his MID bill, and it's $60.
$40 now.
I owe him 40, but I only have 100. So let's see.
35. I got 35.
My friend has 35 here. And how much do I owe you?
$5, I believe.
Exactly,
job.
$5. Bring it over to the bank. All right, last but not least, he's gonna do a little shopping for himself, and he's going to spend $100. All right, so Cliff, how much money do you have left over from your paycheck?
100, 200, 250, 450, 455, 465, 85, 490.
490.
All right, so he has 490. Sometimes in life, another bill pops up. So what? His cable bill came up.
Bad behavior.
Guess how much is his cable bill? Can somebody give me a number?
Put one eye cover in your fanny pack, yeah.
175?
As long as you don't have bad
Does
behavior.
anybody have a cable bill that you would know how much it would be for daily cost of living?
No.
Let's do 200.
I have like YouTube TV and it's $64.99 a month.
What was that?
I have YouTube TV and it's $64.95 a month.
$64.94. I'm gonna have to get that information. But this cable bill was unexpected. He hasn't paid it in 2 months. His cable bill is usually around $100 every month. So he has to pay 200 this month. So how much do you have in your hand now?
100, 200, 50.
I get 3 more school days. You get to sleep in for 2 days.
230.
Then Monday, and then you have Zoom on
Is it
Monday.
what, Andrew?
So he has 240 left.
He has Zoom
No.
on Monday.
What is it?
every single day.
Groceries. grocery shopping.
Exactly.
Need
He
food.
doesn't have food on here. All right,
Yeah,
so
every Monday, he has
Food is
soup
gonna
class
last him a
on
whole
Thursday.
month. I think about one
And
thirty.
then
Clifford, do you have enough for your groceries this month?
Oh, yeah.
He has money. All right. 100. And that's 20. And that's a 10. So that makes $130 you got for his groceries. How much?
How much you got left for them?
100, 150. 155, 160.
He has $160 left over. So he can take himself out for pizza. He can buy him some shoes if he wanted to. Even can go get some cleaning products from the dollar store if he wants to spend $10, $15, right? So good job.
Thank you, Clifford. Good
Thank
job
you,
for
Clifford.
helping.
His bills are paid.
So this is what we went over learning daily, monthly cost of living. These are some of our bills that we have to pay a month. So you end up with your full money, and then when you split it all up, this is what you come up with. And he had how much left?
140.
And he ended up with $140 left. Thank you, Clifford, for helping us. That was a good one. Good job. So let's do a grocery list. Let's do like a.
All right.
Let's do like a grocery list. Okay, so where am I? Okay, so now we're gonna make like a grocery list. You wanna write a grocery list?
Yep.
We're gonna make a grocery list, and that way we can show how much it costs to go grocery shopping and get groceries. So we're gonna get something for dinner tonight. So what do we need? What do we wanna make? What's somebody's favorite thing you like to make?
Fritos.
What would you like to make for dinner? Is it, what do you like to eat? Pizza, spaghetti?
Pizza.
Hi, Junice.
Does anybody have any ideas of what you want? What is something that you would want to? What
I said hamburgers.
Hamburgers. Okay, so we're gonna make hamburgers, which she just cooked that, so she knows the stuff we need.
All right. So what?
Let's make our list for hamburgers. So first thing we're gonna need is.
Kim. Kim,
Yes,
can we do the list Super Bowl party?
this volume. Turn it up just a little bit.
Can we do
1
the,
minute, Andres, I
can we
can't
do
hear
the
you.
list? Okay.
Huh?
Can we do the list Super Bowl party? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, say it one more time. Sorry about that.
Can we do the list Super Bowl party?
A super.
Okay.
Okay, so that can go with our hamburgers, and then we'll add on some more stuff. Yes, that sounds good. Super party list.
So the-
Okay, so we need
right?
our meat for our dinner, for our burgers. And then what else do you want to have at your Super Bowl party?
Soda.
Soda, okay. We need soda. How about some chips?
Yeah.
We'll do some chips,
With dip.
some dip.
You need buns if it's sandwich.
Yep, we got buns on there because we need buns. We need chips, we need dip. They want some dip. What about some hot wings? Anybody like hot wings?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Do some hot wings.
not really.
We got meat, buns, soda, dip, chips, hot wings. Anybody else think of something that you need for our Super Bowl party? Jalapeno poppers.
I want French fries with that.
We got nachos, jalapeno poppers.
Sausage for the hamburger?
Yep. What about cheese also for a hamburger?
Yeah.
Cheese. French fries for, oh, good job. French fries,
Tomatoes?
tomatoes.
Onions.
So we get all our produce, so we need tomatoes and onions and lettuce. Depends on what all you put on your burgers. Okay, so now we have our whole grocery list made. So now we have to go through and figure out how much we're gonna need to pay for our food.
So we got $20.
So our first is, our meat is 20. We got 5 for our buns, 7 for our soda, $10 for our chips, $10 for our dip, $20 for our hot wings, $20 for our nachos, 15,
Oh, yeah, 15. And 7.
and then 7,
And another.
and another 15. Okay, so now we have to add all of that up. So I think I have those bills to show them. Let's see.
Hi, Jenny.
I got all hundreds, okay.
Hi, Kimberly.
20 plus 20, 20, 40, 60. 40, 60. 70, 80, 90. It's 30, so. Okay, and 7 and 7 is 14. And then 5.
So right now, we're just breaking down our numbers. So we're all crazy.
Okay, so this is 5. So 4 plus 5, let's do the math together. 4 plus 5, so what comes after 5?
4.
6.
4,
6, after 5, so we got 6, 7, 8,
8.
8,
9.
9.
this is 9,
There it is.
and then we have to add 6 plus 9, so let's count from 6, what comes after 6? 7,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12,
12, 13, 14, 15.
so then we gotta add 3 more, so 15 plus 3, 15, 16,
17, 18.
and then plus 1 more.
19.
How
So our whole cost of our groceries is, was it $199? So that is $1 shy of $200. So if we had $200 and we went to the grocery store, will we have enough to buy everything on our list?
Yeah.
Good job. What are we doing? Paper plates, so we don't have to do dishes. So now we're at 200. We'll throw a thing of paper plates in there.
Alrighty. You guys did a great job.
Think of another.
say you're happening to wife of
That is a good.
That was a good one. That was a good list for your, what were we having? Super Bowl party. Oh, there's Super Bowl party. That's a good list for our Super Bowl party. I went blank, sorry. All right, now we're gonna go over one more time identifying some more change because we are getting good at identifying change. So the corner.
Okay, I just turn on my Wi-Fi.
How much is that? Can you guys see? 25 cents. What is this? What do we call 25 cents? A quarter. And then just the next. What do we call 10 cents?
Dime.
A dime. Good job. And what do we call 5 cents?
Nickel.
Nickel.
Cool. Good job. And what do we call 1 cent?
Penny.
Penny.
Good job.
And what do we call the 49ers? The best team ever.
What do we call $1 coin?
A penny.
It's $1, but it comes. I'm gonna say.
$1 4 quarters.
Yes. Oh, that's good. So how many quarters would it take to make $1? Tell them again.
4 quarters.
4 quarters to make $1. Okay. So how many dimes? Does anybody know how many dimes it takes to make $1?
4 quarters.
10 dimes. So let's count by tens, okay? So
10,
20,
9,
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. Good job. So yes, 10 dimes equals $1. Okay, what about nickels? How many nickels do we need to make $1?
2.
We got to count by fives. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50. So if it's 10 nickels to make 50 cents, we got to count how many more? 20 nickels. So you got to keep counting. So after 10 is 50. So then 20, 50. So then 60, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $1. So it's 20 nickels to equal $1. So how many pennies do we need? Does anybody know how many pennies you would have to save to equal $1? What's the answer? It takes 100 pennies to equal $1. 100 pennies. That's a lot of counting. You guys got to count a lot of pennies to get $1. And if you have $1 in a coin, how many of those would it take to equal $1?
Just 1.
$1, which they're called gold dollars. That's why it was throwing me off. They're gold dollars. So $1 gold equals $1.
You know a coin is half $1?
Yes, they have a 50-cent piece, which is half. You're right. Have you guys, does anybody have a gold dollar or a 50-cent piece?
No.
You guys collect them?
Nope.
Have you ever got one?
Nope.
No? Well, we'll have to get one so we can show you guys on the next class what they look like. Sometimes you could get them from the bank. Does anybody know any other problems you want us to go over to show you anything, or?
Can you show us how to get the PlayStation 5 games?
How much? Okay.
Play.
Okay.
Not the game system, the PlayStation 5.
The game?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much do the games go for about now? Do you know?
No, but I heard they're very expensive.
Very expensive. So we'll say about what, $50 a game?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's a game that you like, Andres?
I like baseball.
Baseball,
Football.
okay. So we got baseball game. And what's another game you like?
Mortal Kombat.
And Mortal Kombat.
I have a game I like. I have a game I like.
Okay, so we have a baseball game for $50 and we have a Mortal Kombat game for $50. So if you wanted to buy both of those games and you had $100 bill, would we have enough? Where we gotta do the math. So now we have to do our math together, ready? So 0 plus 0 is 0. And 5 plus 5, 5 is 10. So then that's where we get our answer. $100, and we have $100 bill here. So do we have enough to buy your 2 games?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
What if you want to buy PS5, which is $100, 2 games. 2 games is,
I have a favorite game I like.
$100.
a controller. About 150. Headset,
Do you ever try the FBI game?
$150.
Okay, so now we have the whole setup for the PS5. So we have a PS5 for 700. And then we got 2 games, which are 100. And then we have a controller for 150 and a headset for 150. So 700 plus 100 is 800 because 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 150 and 150, this is 300. We got it added, so we just bring our zeros down.
Do you have a
So
soda?
what comes after 8? 9,
10,
10,
11.
11. In order for you to get your game system, your 2 games, your controller, and your headset is $1,100. That's a lot of
Whoa,
money, huh?
that's a big investment.
I know. Well, all right, that's what we have for class. We hope you guys liked our demonstration that we did. We wanted to do something a little different. I hope you enjoyed it.
All right, well, thank you guys. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, JJ,
Welcome.
for helping.
I had a helper today. Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work, right?
That's right.
We went over groceries. We went to the game store.
We spent a lot of money.
We paid our,
Yeah.
we paid our PG&E bill. We are
Kim,
set.
Kim, Nikki, you're the best. Don't touch Sunny, okay? Don't touch Sunny.
What was it, Andres?
He said, you're the best, don't tell Shannon, but I heard it.
Oh, you got the war now.
Yeah,
Hey,
my
I have to work with her, Andres.
I know. I know.